Hey guys, for a long time I've been wanting to make vanilla almond crescent cookies. But I thought, what would I do with the leftover egg whites? And last week we happened to get tooth-cutting macarons. And my mother remembered a German macaron recipe. So today we're going to make almond macarons. It is a really simple recipe with only 3 ingredients. So the ingredients that you will need are the 3 egg whites, 250 grams of powdered sugar, you should also sieve it, and 250 grams of ground almond. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to preheat our oven to 140 degrees. So let's get started. First, with an electric mixer, I'm going to beat the egg whites until they form stiff peaks. I recommend an electric mixer for this because I've never tried to whip it with a wire whisk, so I don't know how that's going to turn out. We're going to put 1 pinch of salt before we start beating. Now the egg whites have formed stiff peaks. When you tilt over the bowl, it's not runny. So now we're going to gradually add in the sugar in 2 batches. Now for our final step, we're going to fold in the almonds with a spoon. Now the almonds are folded in. We're going to take 2 teaspoons and then put it on a baking tray. going to bake this for 20 to 25 minutes. You want to dry them out rather than bake them, and you should always check whether they are done because you never know. See you after they're done to try them. Now I'm going to let them cool down completely and then I'll see you for the tasting. I'm back, they have cooled down completely, so let's try them. Oh my goodness, they are so good. Even though they do not look or taste like the Thoothukudi ones, they have their own unique taste, which is incredible. I really hope you guys can try this and send me a picture on how it turned out and tell me how you like this. See you until next time.